Lesson 7, Unit 6. Information Management Checks and Controls. As a project manager, all your decisions will use information, and the quality of the decisions will depend on the quality of the information. The project team, key stakeholders, and you need to have access to good information in a timely manner. If the information is not timely, inaccurate, or incomplete, the decisions will be wrong, and that can create negative consequences for the project. To ensure the information is of good quality, timely, complete, relevant, and accurate, you need to monitor the information management process. You also need to ensure that the stakeholders are using the information. If no one uses a specific piece of information, then you should consider not including that information in the next cycle, especially if the cost of collecting data and producing reports requires significant resources. You will need to establish an information quality standard as a performance goal. Quality includes the utility, objectivity, and integrity of the information. The level of quality should be appropriate to the nature and context of how the information will be used by the different project stakeholders. Here are some factors you will need to consider to have good quality information management. Information quality is a process problem, not just a systems problem, and should be addressed from a process perspective. The focus should be on the users and sources of information. Implement regular reviews of information quality in the project information management process. Measure validity and accuracy. Evaluate the impact of poor quality information on the project and on donors' expectations. Provide quality training to the team in charge of collecting information. The quality of decision has a direct correlation with the quality of the information provided. A good process to monitor information quality is to perform an information audit. The audit is a systematic process through which you can understand if the information needs have been met and if any information gaps still exist. The results from the information audit allow you to modify or redesign the information management plan. An information audit will review the information management processes and look at all the components of information management and will do the following. Validate information needs from key stakeholders. Evaluate the information created and assess its value to the project and to the stakeholders. Identify new information needs. Identify quick wins that could be implemented to produce immediate benefits. Review the use of internal and external information resources and how they can be used more effectively. Map the information flows and current bottlenecks within those flows to improve efficiencies. You should implement activities designed to evaluate the information management process. This can be done by assigning timelines, responsibilities, and a budget to accomplish the evaluation. The project team and some key stakeholders should be involved in the process of evaluating and, if possible, get some outside expertise to help in the evaluation. You will need to establish periodic reviews of the information management process through the life of the project. These are opportunities to evaluate the information management plan. Ensure that the stakeholders are satisfied with the information they receive. The review will provide you with information to make the necessary changes to the plan and the process. The most important element of the evaluation is to ensure users of information are satisfied with the timeliness, quality, and relevance of the information they have received from the project.